Please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. Been around for a long, long years. Sold many a man's soul and faith. I was around when Jesus Christ had his moments of doubt and pain. I made damn sure the Pilate washed his hands and sealed his fate. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. I stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was time for a change. I killed the Tsar and the ministers. Anastasia screamed in vain. I rode the tank, I held the general's rank. When the blitzkrieg raged and the bodies stank. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. And the steel guitar spoke up and it said, Telecaster said, that Telecaster was just getting started. With glee while your kings and queens fought for 10 decades for the gods they made. I shouted out, who killed the Kennedys? When after all, it was you and me. So please allow me to introduce myself. I'm a man of wealth and taste. I made the except for the troubadours who got killed before they reached Bombay. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name? 'Cause what's puzzling you is the nature of my game. Just as every cop is a criminal, and all the sinners are saints. As heads as tails, you can call me Lucifer, but I'm in need some restraint. So if you meet me, have some courtesy, have some sympathy, have some taste. Use all your well-earned politeness, or I'll lay your soul to waste. Pleased to meet you. Won't you guess my name?